Hi everybody, this is Beachcricket, and I'm going out for a walk today with my girls. Come along, I'll show you some stuff, okay? Girls, are we going for a walk? Come on, Riley. No, you're not going back inside. Come on. Come on, Riley. Let's go. We're going for a walk. Riley says no, she doesn't want to go for a walk. Well, she came back out. Are you ready to go for a walk? Alrighty, we're first going to check out what's over here at the fire pit. They put this on last night when the coals got right, and it's in a Dutch oven, and that's a turkey in there. Isn't that cool? You smelling that, Roxy? What is that? It's a big old turkey in there. Oh, such a beauty to wake up to this morning. Oh. Yep, so beautiful. I'm loving it. Now these are saguaros. They're so beautiful and they're so amazing. It takes them a long time to grow. The arms and everything on them. They're just beautiful. The prickly pear cactus. It's gorgeous too. I love them. Okay, who do we have here?
This is Irving, the 142nd fastest gun in the West.
Wow, and he's so beautiful. So Marielle caught little Irvin, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Look at the colors. See if we can. Wowee. I'm like shaky here. This is what you see in nature. See if we can get his face. Wait a minute. Coming in. Oh yeah, that's good. He's looking right at me. What?
I'm amazed he stays right there.
That is so
he knows he's
cool.
Up high, I guess, and can't.
We're gonna let.
So we're letting him go. Why?
Because he's the 142nd fastest gun in the West, and he's on a mission to find the 143rd fastest gun in the West.
Okay. All right. Let's see that happen.
All right.
Cool.
There comes Jack. I think Colleen's coming right here.
You're free, Irving.
Free, Irving. You're getting free.
You're free, Irving. Go find him. Or just sit there, whatever.
He says, I'm really chilling with you guys and I like you. Why make me leave? There's lots of everything up here, look. Lots of rocks. Lots of fun. Yeah.
Scurry, Irving. Scurry. Scurry. There you go.
There he goes. He's going. He's going to do this. All right.